I don't see myself as a salesperson. I see myself as a service person. I try and listen more than I talk and really get a feel for how somebody's feeling. I look at body language, I listen carefully, and I step back and I let them have their process. So from here, I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and cruise on your own. So you can go upstairs, you can take the stairs, or you can take the elevator. Don't miss the downstairs. The downstairs is where the home theater is. So check out everything and then come back and let me know if you have any questions.
Awesome, thank you.
All right, thank you. I've been doing this for so long. I've worked with so many people over the years that I've learned, you know what? The right person's going to buy the right house. Hi. Welcome to the open house.
Thank you.
So quick question for you guys. Did you see this house online or did you see the signs?
The signs.
That's the stressful part for me because I hate to be late. So I always run a tight ship. So I'm like, okay, I have to get there at this time because I have to set up. And then as soon as it's time for the signs, you know, as soon as you put signs up, people are going to see them and they're going to start driving to the house. So it's this mission impossible moment where you're just going. And then by the time I get to the door, my hair's a mess, I'm sweaty, I don't have any lipstick anymore. And I'm like, okay. And then I go, from there I calm down and I get into the zone. There's things that you can miss if you don't know the area well. Like I know about Main Street, which they're renovating, and there's some great restaurants. I can speak to driving distances.
And what about if I want to go shopping?
So there's two ways you can go. You can go up PCH towards Camarillo, Oxnard. There's a lot of options up there. You could go down PCH, and the closest market is Trancas Market, which is really nice. Schools are really important. So there's a lot of factors that being a local really matters.
I really love this setup here. How about the appliances?
When somebody's going to buy a house, it's kind of like a fact-finding mission where, okay, I love the house. How much is it going to cost? What are the benefits of living here? How much is my insurance going to be? So there's all these factors. By knowing the hyper-local situation, I can be the answer person and make people feel comfortable. If you hadn't noticed, I really enjoy just connecting with people. So the thing I enjoy in every open house is finding those points of commonality where you meet somebody and maybe you have a shared experience, a shared, lived in a similar area, whatever it is. So that's pretty much what an open house is to me. It's really exciting. I love my job. I mean, there's nothing better than, like, at the end of the day, telling the seller, hey, guess what? We just sold your house. Or the buyer, hey, here's the keys. I love it. I never get tired of it. So, yeah.